Welcome back to Auto Amateur. I'm James, and in this video we're going to be doing an oil change on my 958.1 Cayenne. Let's go check it out. Right, back again for another DIY video, and instead of working on the 911, I've got some essential maintenance I need to be doing to the Cayenne. In this video, I'm going to be doing the oil change. I've also got to do the spark plugs, and while you do the spark plugs, because you've got to take apart some of the engine, you can also do the air filters, so I'll be doing those jobs at the same time. But this video is all about the oil change. If you haven't done an oil change before, it can be a little daunting, but I promise you, it's one of the easiest maintenance jobs that you can do on your car. You get your hands a little bit dirty, you get to use a few wrenches, and you get to feel like a true mechanic. Let's go straight into the DIY job and see how it goes. An important thing to do now is to prepare your oil filter cap to go back into the car. Clean it up first with a rag and then make sure that you replace the O-ring. Most brands will provide you with a free O-ring with the new filter. It's really important to replace this because they degrade pretty quickly over time. What you don't want is oil leaking out of your filter housing, of course. This Cayenne one here is red, which matches the red filter, which looks pretty cool. Simply take a pick or other tool and just pry the ring off the cap. Give it another clean, and then put the new ring back on. Well, that's it for another video. Thanks for checking in, guys. A few more jobs for the Cayenne to do. I'm going to be doing the spark plugs, as I mentioned earlier, and the air filters all at the same time. That'll be a future video. I've also got my summer rims, the turbo style rims, out at Jacobson's in Burnsville to get powder coated in this really slick gunmetal kind of gray. I think it's going to be a satin finish. It's going to look really slick against the black color of my car here, but I'm also going to be painting my calipers red. And so I think that's going to really dial it into exactly the way I want my daily driver to look. And then behind me, you can see headers and cap bypass pipes from Soul Performance Products. They're going to be going on the 991. I've been meaning to get to this for weeks and weeks, but just, life takes over. My friend Chris is coming later this week and we are going to get it on. So stay tuned, more content coming. Thanks always for supporting my channel and my hopes and my dreams here with Auto Amateur. See you in another video soon. Bye.